Welcome to Tuesday's Tea. How you guys doing today? Sorry for the delay, but I need some tequila or Tanqueray or something because the energy and what I am seeing on the news is just not helping the situation. So if you are feeling like I am, let's take a moment and do a guided meditation to return to safety within. So, right now, if you have any amethyst, black tourmaline, or rose quartz, please have it with you. And the essential oils that we are going to try to use to get us in a safety mode will be lavender, frankincense, or bergamot. So while you are getting these things, you can pause the episode, and then when you come back, we are going to jump into our guided meditation for Tuesday. Take a comfortable seat, or you can lie down however you see fit. If you have a crystal, place it near your heart or near your feet for grounding. Allow your shoulders to drop. Place one hand on your heart. Take a gentle inhale and slowly release. Now, before we begin, I want us to call upon the highest divine presence, known by many names, felt across all faiths, the source of love, the breath of life, the infinite intelligence sustaining us now. We invite divine protection and healing. We call upon Archangel Raphael to restore balance within our bodies, also to calm and regulate our nervous system. We call upon Archangel Michael to surround us with protection, to gently cut cords of fear and collective overwhelm. We welcome the compassionate presence of Kuan Yin to pour mercy into our hearts, to soften what feels tight, to remind us we are supported. We honor our beautiful ancestors who walk in divine light. May only elevate loving energies be present. This space is sealed in peace, and so it is. Take a slow inhale and release. Now we are going to do our 4, 6, 8 nervous system regulation breathing. And we're going to inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And slowly exhale for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's do that again. Inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slow exhale for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you feel we need to do it again, let's do it again. Inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slow exhale for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, on this last round that we did, you should feel relaxed. You feel your body responding. The long exhale tells your nervous system you are safe. Let's do it again. Inhale for 4, 2, three, four. Hold for six, two, three, four, five, six. Exhale slowly. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Let your tongue soften. Let your shoulders melt down your back. You are completely relaxed. Now, imagine a warm golden light at the base of your spine. This light represents safety. With every inhale, it grows brighter. With every exhale, it travels down your legs, into your feet, into the earth. Roots begin to grow from your soles of your feet, deep, strong, ancient. The earth has generational energy before you. The earth has held generations before you. It can hold you now. Whisper silently, I return to safety. Inhale for four, two, three, four. Hold for six, two, three, four, five, six. Exhale for eight, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Bring your awareness to your heart space. Imagine a soft emerald or rose light expanding in your chest. If you feel overwhelmed, gently say, thank you for trying to protect me. Your nervous system is not your enemy. It has been guarding you. Now it can rest. Inhale for four, two, three, four. Hold for six, two, three, four, five, six. Exhale for eight, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Allow compassion to replace tension. Allow softness to replace vigilance. If there is a fear from current events, if there is uncertainty, see it as a cloud around you, and on the next inhale, release it. You don't have to carry the collective. You only need to regulate yourself. Inhale for four, two, three, four. Hold for six, two, three, four, five, six. Exhale for eight, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Now visualize a cocoon of golden white light around your body. Feel protected. Feel grounded. Feel regulated. Archangel Raphael is standing behind you in healing green light. Archangel Michael is at your side in a protective blue light. Kuan Yin before you in soft, compassionate glow. Your ancestors steady at your back. You are supported in all directions. Place both hands over your heart and say, I am regulated, grounded, and I return to peace. I am spiritually supported. Now let's take a final deep breath in. Inhale for four, two, three, four. Hold for six, two, three, four, 5, 6, and exhale for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we thank all of the beautiful ancestors, Kuan Yin, Archangel Michael, and Archangel Raphael for being with us in this beautiful moment of support, regulation, and grounding us with protection because we all need it at this time. So now we say thank you, we send them our love, and now I want you gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you are ready, slowly open up your eyes. All right, my beautiful souls, carry this steadiness with you. And so it is. Now, if you feel tension, anxiety, or you feel that feeling of unsureness, because this is a time where we all need to stabilize our nervous system. And yes, it's going to take a long time until we know for sure that we have the support we need within us and around us. So if you need to call in Archangel Raphael, Archangel Michael, and Kuan Yin, and your ancestors, when you need to release the anxiety, to feel their compassion and love, and to feel supported, call on them because they are here with you at this time. Now, if you finish this beautiful guided meditation and then you get ready to go to sleep, they will be around you. They will give you some more inspiration, motivation, and elevation. And if you need to just feel their presence, just ask, and they will be there for you. All right, my beautiful souls, take care. God bless. And until we meet again, bye bye.